I'm using ChatGPT on my phone right now, but I didn't pay a single rupee. No subscription, no API key, no sign up, not even an app. Just one tool in Termux. Let me show you how to set it up. So this tool is called tgpt, Terminal GPT. It's a free open source command line tool that gives you AI chatbot right inside your terminal. So now let's set it up. So first of all, as usual, we have to do pkg update and pkg upgrade. So let's do that. Okay. Now update and upgrade is done. Now let's do one thing. Now we have to install our packages. So we need, for this we need golang and mesa-dev. Okay. I will copy and paste it here. Okay. So these were already installed, so it didn't took much time for me. Now to install our tgpt, you have to use the for me command. So let me just paste that too, and let's hit enter. Okay. Now this is installed. For me, I had already done it, so it didn't took much time. For you also, it's going to take like few seconds only. Now it's installed. Now we have to add it to our path so that we can run it from anywhere. To do that, you have to use the follow me commands. I will try to leave all these commands in the video description so that it's easy for you. Okay, now this is also done. Now let's check whether it's installed or not. So for that, we will type tgpt and version. See, tgpt is installed now. Okay, so now we will see how we will use it. Okay, now let's ask its first terminal. So for that we will type tgpt, and then in quotes you have to give what's terminals. Sorry, I typed tgpt wrong. Let me just correct it. My bad. It takes, yeah, see, it's take just a few seconds to answer, and it's quite fast compared to onboard AI models which we done in last videos. Okay. So that's all for this video. This is a short one. I hope you like it. If you like it, you can hit that like button. And for future videos like this, you can subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Bye bye.